Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a current subscriber, you know what it is. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna probably make this a two-part video because I'm not gonna do much editing. I just wanted to give you all, because I haven't seen a video yet that shows small business owners how to do their taxes. So I have finally learned a little bit, and I wanted to share what I have come across for anyone who is looking for any type of advice. I am not a tax preparer. I do not have any tax knowledge, but I did notice the difference between filing with H&R Block last year and then filing with TurboTax this year. So I normally do my own taxes, but I just became a business owner October 2020. And when I went to do my taxes in February or March of 2021, I gathered all of my, I didn't make much money because it had only been a couple months, but I did gather all of my receipts and everything and took them to the H&R Block representatives just to be on the safe side, because I don't want to be hit with any penalties or anything for not filing whatever I should file being a business owner. I have been filing my own taxes for probably over 15 years, but again, being that I'm now a business owner, I thought things would be different, so I chose to go to a tax preparer. And yeah, no, that was a mistake. I ended up paying probably $200 or $300 for her to prepare my taxes, basically doing everything that I could have done on my own that I have done in previous years. If you have never done your own taxes, if you are have simple taxes and don't have to worry about any like business or homeowners and all that other extra stuff, then you can do your taxes yourself. Like the online software simply walks you through it. Now, like I said, I've been doing my taxes with H&R Block software myself for probably over 15 years. Decided to go to a preparer last year, and my experience using TurboTax this year was very, very easy. They walk you through it every single step of the way. And while I did them about 2 or 3 days ago. This is probably the latest I've ever done my taxes. So just to give you all a few tips when doing your taxes or to prepare for the upcoming year, I'm going to start with a few tips, and then like I said, this is probably going to be a little lengthy, but I'm going to try to shorten it the best way that I can. So the first thing you want to do is, if you are a business owner, is number one, keep track of all your spending. They will compensate you, or you can write off your gas travel to and from the post office. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be looking at my notes here. So gas travel to and from the post office, gas travel to and from picking up your supply stores. Like if you go to Hobby Lobby, if you go to Michael's, wherever you go to get your supplies from, they will compensate you for gas mileage. So make sure you keep a record of that if you want to write those off. You can write off the square footage if you are a small business that works from your home, like in your bedroom. As you can see, this is my little office space in my bedroom. And it asks you about the square footage of your entire room, and then it asks you about the square footage that you use for your office space, and it asks you about your square footage that you use for your actual storage space. So you can write off those things too. So any expenses, I've noticed it did ask me for any expenses that I wasn't able to write off from previous years. So being that I said I started my business in 2020, the little bit that I did accumulate from then and in to kind of backtrack, the tax preparer that did my taxes last year, she said that I didn't make much money and that I didn't spend much, so she chose to not utilize it. So she just basically filed my taxes without using any of that information. So basically with TurboTax, what I've learned is it asks you about, it's kind of like I think it's called rollover. So any expenses that I didn't claim last year in 2020, I can actually claim this year, but I didn't find that out until I had already hit the finalize my taxes button. So I can always go back to it, amend it, but I choose not to because it really wasn't nothing but a couple $100. You can also write off maintenance on your car. So if you have any type of maintenance as far as like oil changes, tune-ups, anything, any type of maintenance that you do on your car while you're running your business, you can write those off too. You can also write off your registration fees. It also asks to notate your mileage to and from work, and like any personal travel that you do, like maybe to and from school. You do not get to write off that, but they somehow subtract your mileage for your small business. If you travel to and from the post office like I do, and travel to and from picking up your supplies, they kind of subtract that, I guess, from your own personal use. So you want to make sure you keep a record of that. So being that we're only in March, pushing April, if you have that information from January, February, you want to kind of keep track of all of that information. If not, you can start now so that you have it in the upcoming year. The other thing it said that you can also write off is internet and phone service. If you use internet at home for your business, as most of us do because of our laptop, computers, cell phones, any type of phone service you use to run your business, renter's insurance. If you're currently renting your home or your apartment and you work out of it, you can write off your renter's insurance. I'm sure there's more, but that's about all I have for you today. So the main thing is keep receipts of every single thing that you do for your business. It makes it a lot easier at the end of the year to write it off on your taxes. So everything from keeping track of all of your spending when it comes to your supplies. It asks you about your supplies. What I did was, like for instance, I put Amazon, and I went back and looked at Amazon or Etsy or Wholesale Supplies Plus. Whatever I shopped at throughout the year, I went and looked at my old receipts and kind of wrote everything down. But you can kind of keep it in like Excel on your computer or laptop or something like that to help you be more organized. So my plan is I will be more organized this upcoming year when it's time for me to file my taxes next year, since I kind of know what to expect. Again, I'm not being sponsored for this video, and like I said, if I had to choose between H&R Block and TurboTax was more simplified for me. H&R Block was a little more complicated, but I had been doing using H&R Block for, like I said, over 15 years, but this is my first time switching to a new software, and TurboTax was it for me. So needless to say, most importantly, just make sure you keep track of all of your spending as it relates to your business. As I said before, if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section down below. You can email me at realblue@realblewcosmetics.com. And before I get out of here, just have a few things. So I also will be doing a future video. Today is wash day for my hair. That's why I have this scarf on. I came across the Mayo Sea Moss collection, and I'll be using this anti-shedding shampoo and the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner. And then I'm also, after I'm done, I'm going to use the anti-shedding curl pudding. So I'll let y'all know how, like, I don't too much care for the smell, but I'll let y'all know how I like it once I use it. I couldn't find that. It's time for a protein treatment, but I couldn't find the Apple G protein treatment. So I'm going to try this Cream of Nature aloe and black castor oil strengthening protein treatment. It says it does pretty much the same thing as the other one, so I'm going to try to see how it works, and I'll let you all know. If you're new here, I am the owner of Real Blue Cosmetics, and this is one of our newer products. This is our Yoni Wash. It is all natural, it is fragrance free, and it comes in this cute little rose gold black bottle with the rose gold top, pump top. All you need is one pump, and it lathers up really good, and it smells amazing. It is our aloe, jojoba, and shea oil Yoni Wash. It is available on the website now for $10. $10. This is our 2-ounce bottles, and we are now offering right now next day shipping. I know a lot of people are so iffy about their pH balance, but this product is all natural, no chemicals and no parabens, no preservatives, nothing like that. And like I said, it's available on the website right now for $10. This is our Fruit Loop whip soap. It comes in a 8-ounce bottle. You can also get it in the 8-ounce jar. This is our Fruit Loop soap, and this is double whipped, and it also is great for shaving. And yeah, I'm not too fond of smelling like cereal, but some people are, and these are available on the website. The 4 ounces is $10, and I think the bottle, sorry, $12. And then also new to the website will be added soon. This is our whipped soap birthday cake with soap sprinkles. So this is what it looks like, and it smells amazing. This is birthday cake scented. And like I said, these are not edible. These are soap sprinkles, and they will dissolve once you lather up. Only a few of these left. These are the unicorn whipped soap. This is a limited label edition. This can also be used as a shaving cream. This has been a huge seller of mine. It smells freaking amazing. And this is the texture of it. I went ahead and produced some more today, but I did it in Love Spell. I have changed the color of Love Spell. If you looked at my previous videos, my Love Spell is usually pink, but I've decided to change the color to purple, but the same scent, just a different color. And I kind of messed this one up and went a little flat, but I'm still gonna sell it because it still does the same thing and it still smells amazing. This is the Love Spell whipped soap. Smells amazing, and it lathers up really good, and it also can be used as shaving cream as well. So head to the website and subscribe to our mailing list to receive our code for free shipping. And if you have any questions, or like I said, hit me up in the comment section down below. I'm getting ready to go wash this head and get ready for work tomorrow. And I need you all to have an amazing Sunday. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.